Hi everyone, it's Christine here from Sanford Edible Garden Trail, and I'm here with Steve, and today he's going to show us a really innovative homemade native bee hive and also an insulation that he's made to go around that. So this is Steve, and
Morning.
He'll show us.
Yeah, so the box is made from ply and basically in two sections that fit together nicely. So in the top section, once we take the top lid off, inside is a perspex window, so you can look in and check the activity of your bees and how they're getting on. And the bottom section has a mesh grate to keep them off the base, so they build their honeycomb around this plastic insert we have here.
You've held that up with screws, Steve?
Yeah, and quite a small entry hole for them to commute in and out. So they will build, the carbonara bees will build in a spiral. So when it comes time to split the box, it's easy enough to just take off the clamps, run a knife down through here, split it into two halves, and then swap base and top onto a new box. And there you go. The bees...
Sorry. I'm just going to ask you about the insulation you've got here.
The bees are only active above 18 degrees. But of course in summer here it's a lot more than that, so we have a insulated cover box to go over that, which is basically just a broccoli box reshaped with a little portal at the front for them. And yeah, painted up to keep the weather off so it doesn't rot away too much. Easily done.